Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best leather dining chairs on Amazon. Leather dining chairs offer a blend of sophistication and durability, elevating dining areas with a timeless and luxurious appeal. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Homepop Leather Dining Chairs. The Homepop leather dining chairs create a sleek, stylish, irresistible look. At the same time, the ebony black finished wood legs add a touch of classic sophistication that is sure to impress. But it's not just about looks, these chairs are durable and convenient. The premium woven cotton is comfortable and easy to clean with a soft dry cloth. What we like about it? Assembly is pretty easy. Sturdy and comfortable. Good quality with multiple color options. What we don't like about it? Legs aren't even. Number 2. Kang Faux Leather Dining Chairs. The Kang Faux Leather Dining Chairs are a statement of sophistication and comfort. From their sleek modern design to their sturdy steel legs, this set of 2 chairs will elevate any room it graces. The slim lines and bucket seat create a luxurious yet understated look that will impress your guests. When it comes to comfort, these chairs don't disappoint. The soft faux leather upholstery is inviting, and the foam filling ensures a cushioned seat you won't want to get up from. One of the best features of these chairs is their durability. The steel legs can withstand even the heaviest use, making them perfect for families or anyone who loves entertaining. Plus, the fire-resistant feature adds an extra layer of safety and reassurance. What we like about it? Comfortable seat height. Easy cleaning and wiping off of spills. Stylish and eclectic farmhouse look. What we don't like about it? Fabric sags over time. Number 3. Wally Leather Dining Chairs. The Wally leather dining chairs feature high-quality pool leather and an ergonomic backrest, and these chairs help to keep you comfortable during even the longest meals. The rolled back top adds a touch of elegance that is simply irresistible, while the thick cushioning ensures lasting comfort. And with solid iron frames, you can rest assured that these chairs will last years. But it's not merely about style and comfort, these chairs are also convenient. The rubberized feet prevent scratching and loud noises, making them perfect for any setting, from coffee rooms to entertainment centers. And remember the waterproof and wear-resistant pool leather material that makes cleaning a breeze. Plus, with the easy assembly that takes only 10 to 15 minutes, you'll have these chairs set up quickly. What we like about it? Well packaged and easy to assemble. It comes in popular colors. Sturdy, comfortable, and stylish. What we don't like about it? Some find it wobbly. Number 4. Bono Leather Dining Chairs. The Bono Leather Dining Chairs are not just a seating solution, but a statement piece that will elevate any space. With a minimalist design and medieval, retro style, these chairs are perfect for anyone looking for elegance and charm. The pull-up upholstery adds a textured look to your home comfortably. But comfort isn't the only thing these chairs have going for them. Their lightweight design makes it easy to move around, while the dark faux leather adds a luxury touch. Sturdy metal legs feature a sleek chrome finish that prevents scratches and scuffs on your floors. With easy-to-clean upholstery, these chairs are great for residential and outdoor settings. What we like about it? Well packed and protected during transit. Extra hardware package included. Sturdy frame with multiple colors. What we don't like about it? Assembly instructions are unclear. Number 5. Yahetic Leather Dining Chairs. The Yahetic leather dining chairs are a work of art that elevates your dining space. With their modern, clean design and elegant brown leather, these chairs are simply irresistible. But it's not just about looks, these chairs offer convenience and comfort. With sets of 4, you can customize them to fit your space perfectly. Plus, the easy setup and included hardware and tools make assembly a breeze. The well-cushioned seats and sturdy rubber wood legs ensure lasting comfort that you won't want to leave. And let's remember the adjustable feet caps on the front legs that help to keep the chair level and balanced. Plus, with 4 protective pads on the feet, you won't have to stress about scratches on your floor. What we like about it? High-quality material. Excellent craftsmanship. Neutral colors that complement any decor. Comfortable seating. What we don't like about it. Make squeaky sounds when used. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.